Welcome back to Arxflix. Today, we're diving into an insightful paper titled FrugalGPT: How to Use Large Language Models While Reducing Cost and Improving Performance. With a rapidly growing number of LLMs like GPT-4 and ChatGPT, the cost associated with their usage can skyrocket. This paper outlines efficient strategies to leverage these models affordably. Using cutting-edge models such as GPT-4 for high-throughput applications can be incredibly expensive. ChatGPT's operational cost exceeds $700,000 per day. Additionally, the financial burden on small businesses using these models can be prohibitive, with estimates suggesting costs surpassing $21,000 per month. There's also a significant environmental toll. Traditional usage sends queries to a single LLM, which is costly. The authors propose methods like prompt adaptation, LLM approximation, and LLM cascade to drastically cut down expenses. Let's break down these strategies. The cost of LLM queries scales with prompt size. By reducing prompt length or prompt adaptation, we can cut costs. One example is prompt selection, retaining only essential examples. Another technique is query concatenation, where multiple queries are combined to avoid redundant prompt processing. As shown here, prompt adaptation can be done by selecting smaller prompts, concatenating queries, or reusing completed responses from a cache, minimizing redundant API calls. LLM approximation involves creating simpler models or infrastructures to mimic expensive ones. For example, a completion cache stores responses for reuse when similar queries are later encountered. Another approach is model fine-tuning, where cheaper models are fine-tuned using a powerful LLM's responses. By deploying these techniques, we bypass costly LLM APIs without significantly compromising performance. With LLM Cascade, queries are sequentially sent to a list of LLMs. If an early LLM provides a reliable answer, further expensive LLMs aren't invoked. This reduces costs while maintaining high accuracy. The cascade relies on a scoring function to evaluate the reliability of each LLM's response. Here's the optimization function that guides the LLM cascade. It ensures the average cost stays within budget while maximizing performance. The authors tested FrugalGPT on multiple datasets. They selected 12 LLM APIs from mainstream providers like OpenAI and AI21, evaluating them on tasks such as financial news classification and legal document analysis. For example, on the headlines dataset, FrugalGPT managed to reduce costs by 80% while increasing accuracy by 1.5%. FrugalGPT avoided querying expensive models like GPT-4 for responses already well handled by cheaper models like GPT-J. Why does FrugalGPT work so well? It's due to generation diversity. Cheaper models sometimes get correct answers that expensive LLMs might miss. This diversity is quantified using the Maximum Performance Improvement (MPI) metric. These heat maps illustrate the MPI between LLM pairs across different datasets. You'll see that cheaper LLMs can frequently complement more expensive ones, highlighting the potential to reduce costs while enhancing performance. The study reports that FrugalGPT achieves up to 98% cost savings while maintaining the performance of the best individual LLM. This was consistent across datasets like headlines, overruling, and SOAK-UA. Here's a visualization of accuracy versus cost trade-offs achieved by FrugalGPT. Notice how FrugalGPT often matches or exceeds the performance of top LLMs like GPT-4 at a fraction of the cost. While FrugalGPT sets the stage for cost-effective and performance-optimized LLM usage, it has limitations like the need for labeled data for training. Also, training the cascade strategy itself incurs costs. Future research should consider latency, fairness, privacy, and environmental impacts. The landscape of LLMs is ever-evolving. FrugalGPT offers a promising foundation, but much more can be achieved with ongoing research. Thanks for watching Arxflix. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge research summaries. See you next time. Thanks a lot to Element for supporting Arxflix and providing this wonderful voice.